Hey guys, so I'm back and here I am sharing to you the latest event for Run Mobile the Masterclass. So as you can see, there is an event Bump It Up. So you can see here a weapons for Archer, Brawler, Swordsman, and Shaman. So actually this is the last day for this event, so you still have almost 1 hour left. So sorry for the late content, but still, just in case you see this video, this is how you can get these costume weapons. So these are the weapons that you can see. This will be given to you to your account, to your specific account. So for example, you choose Archer, this bow, so you will receive these 2 kinds of bow, sword for Swordsman and for Brawler and Shaman. So now, what's the guidelines for this, so you can get these costumes? Now there is a guidelines here. So this is for celebrating the 2nd anniversary with Vampira. Now, to show your support for the server and enjoy special rewards, if you donate at least 1,500 D points between October 5 to October 12, meaning until October 12, so you'll receive a ×2 permanent weapon costume. So those weapon that I showed to you, that are the weapons that you are going to receive in your meal. So Protneck ×40, Fine-Bore ×100, and Luxury Potion ×100. Okay, as a token of appreciation for your support, we're giving something special back to you. So note that total contribution will be computed at the end of the event period. Contributions are compoundable and rewards distribution details will be announced soon. So as you can see, 1,000 D points, so there is no other instruction like you need to use the D points. So as long as you donate 1,500 D points, you will receive the amount of weapons said in this guide. So ×2 permanent weapon costume, so you will receive 2 weapon costume, and as long as you donate from October 5 to October 12 with a total of 1,500. So for example, October 5 you donate 100 D points, October 7 you donated 400 D points, October 12 you donated 1,000 D points. So that's a total of 1,500 D points. So as long as you complete the 1,500, then you will receive the following here. So all you need to do is go to runmobile.com, so to the website, to do the top up. Okay, so guys, don't be late. So I'm not sure if this will be going to be extended like in the last year anniversary. As you can see, the extended it, so maybe, but I'm not sure. So this is your last hour. So as much as you can do it now. So I think that's all for now. So see you in my next video. Alright, so good luck guys. Bye.